So we'll continue what you did yesterday about area and perimeter. Look at your exercise 11.1, question number 5. Exercise 11.1, question number 5. Okay, what is told here? The area of a square park is same as of rectangular park. The area of a square park is same as of rectangular park, means both have same area. Then if the side of the square park is 60 meter, if the side of the square park is 60 meter, then and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter. Okay, then find the breadth of the rectangular park. Find the breadth of the rectangular park. Okay, listen now. Area of the square park is same as area of rectangular park, means the square and rectangle has same area, both have same area. This side is given you 60 meter, this length is given you 90 meter. Okay, and you are asked to find the breadth. That means you write area of square equals to area of rectangle. Write down. So area of square equals to area of rectangle. Okay, area of square means formula side into side. This is length into breadth. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Area of square, side into side. The side is how much? 60. So write 60 meter into 60 meter. Length, this is length. Length how much? 90 meter. So 90 meter into B. Now you have to find out B. How to find? This number you divide here. Implies 60 meter divided by 90 meter equals to B. Meter cancelled. This 0 cancelled. Okay. 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6. Then 3 2 ja 6, then 0. So breadth equals to 20 meter into 2. How much? 40 meter. Okay. Then question number 6. So question number 6 is, a wire is in the shape of rectangle. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. Okay, then its length is 40 centimeter, breadth is 22 centimeter. Its length is 40 centimeter, breadth is 22 centimeter. Okay, then if the same wire is rebent to shape a square, if the same wire is rebent into a shape of square, okay, then what will happen? What will be the measure of each side? What will be the measure of each side? So listen, and to tell you one thing, suppose this is a piece of wire, okay, you can fold it, you can make it a rectangle like this. Look at rectangle, length, here breadth, just exactly not coming, but I can tell you. Suppose this is a rectangle, suppose. Okay, now what you want to do is, you want to make it a square. Make it a square, but same piece of wire, that means length is same. So length is same means perimeter will be same. Same wire, so same wire means first it was rectangle, now you made it square. So what will be here? Now perimeter of rectangle equals to perimeter of square. Okay, so what is the length given here? Length is given 40 centimeter. This is 22 centimeter. This is not given side. So perimeter will be same. So what is the formula of perimeter then? So this is 2L plus B. This is 4 into A, 4 into side. A means side. So 2L, L is 40 centimeter plus 22 centimeter equals to 4 into side. Implies 2 into, first you have to add these two, 40 plus 22, 62 centimeter, 4 into A. Now what you do is, this bring this 4 down. 262 centimeter divided by 4 equals to A. This is easy method to calculate. 2 1s are 2 2s are 231. Therefore A is equal to 31 centimeter. Means each side became 31 centimeter. Okay. Then let's see question number. Also find which shape encloses more area. That is important. Second part of the question, which shape encloses more area? Means what is area of rectangle or what is area of square? Second part of the question. Then what is area of rectangle? That is length into breadth. Length how much? 40 into 22. 40 into 40 centimeter into 22 centimeter. You are going to multiply. 0 you can keep here. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Because this 0 you can keep your right side 0. So how much it became? 880 centimeter. Centimeter is centimeter square. Okay, what is area of rectangle? Sorry, area of square. Area of square formula is side into side. Side how much you got? 31. So 31 centimeter. 31 centimeter. Multiply 31, 31. 1 into 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 9. 1, 6, 9. 961 centimeter square. Which one now has more area? Square has more area. Because this is less, this is more. Square has more area. Okay, this question done. Then you see question number 7. Question number 7. That is, the perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. The perimeter of a rectangle is 130 centimeter. Then if the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter, if the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter, then find its length, also find its area. Find its length, also find its area. Okay, look, rectangle given, perimeter how much given? 130. Length is not given, breadth is given 30 centimeter. Then you should write what is formula of perimeter. Perimeter equals to length. Formula you have to remember, length plus breadth. The perimeter में what is perimeter? 130 you write here. 2L plus B is 30. Now look, this 2 is multiplied. Bring this 2 down, then it will be divided. If you bring that down, it will be divided. So 130 centimeter multiplication becomes division equals to L plus 30 centimeter. We cancel here 6, then 5. 65 centimeter equals to L plus 30 centimeter. Okay, let's bring this side, change of side, plus will come this side, minus 65 centimeter minus 30 centimeter equals to L. So 65 minus 30 you can subtract, 30 centimeter equals to L. So length you got now. Now you are asked to find the area. So what will be area here? L into B. Okay, L how much you got? 35, sorry, 35. 35 centimeter into 30 centimeter. Look at the technique, centimeter, centimeter, centimeter square. The right side 0 you write here. Then 3 multiply. 3 5 ja 15, carry 1. 3 3 ja 9 plus 1, 10. The 1050 centimeter square. Okay, simple questions. Then see question number 8. Question number 8. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted into a wall. Is fitted into a wall. Okay, then the length of the wall is 4.5 meter. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter. Then, and the breadth is 3.6 meter. And breadth is 3.6 meter. Okay. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall. Okay. If the rate of whitewashing of the wall is, if the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. Rupees 20 per meter square. Okay. Try to understand here. Look at. Suppose this is your wall. This is wall. Now what you have done is you have fitted a door here. This is your door. Okay. What is the length and breadth of the door? This is your 2 meter. This is your 1 meter. The length of this wall is 4.5 meter. Breadth is how much? 3.6 meter. So whitewashing. Which one will do whitewashing? This part will be whitewashing only. Because door you will not do whitewashing. This you have to remove now. If you remove, remaining is whitewashing area. Okay. So first you find what is area of door. What is area of door? Door is what? Rectangle. So that is L into B. 2 meter into 1 meter. 2 1 is 2 meter square. Then this one is 2 meter square. Okay, what is total area? Area of wall. Area of wall. That also L into B. Area of wall. That is L into B. L how much? 4.5 meter into 3.6 meter. Okay, you have to multiply. You have to multiply. Look, 4.5 into 3.6. Multiply. First simple multiplication. 6 5 ja 30, carry 3. 6 4 ja 24, 3 27. Done. 3 5 ja 15, leave 1 place. Then carry 1. 3 4 ja 12, 1 13. 0 2, then carry 1 6 1. After decimal 2 digits. 1 digit here, 1 digit here. So leave 2 digits, put decimal. That became how much? 16.20 meter square. This is total area. Then what is area to be whitewashed? area to be whitewashed. How much? That is area of wall minus area of door means total. If you remove this part will be whitewashed. So how much? 16.20 meter square minus 2 meter square. How to subtract? Look at here. 16.20 minus 2 you have to write here. 2 means 2.00. This 0, 2 minus 0 is 2, 6 minus 2 is 4, 14. So 14.20 meter square. 1 meter cost is how much? 20 rupees. So total cost 14.20 into rupees 20. So 14.20, look at 14.20 into 20. Easy method I'll teach you. Look, this 0 has no value. Okay, 0, 0, 4, how much? 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 8, 2, then 0, 4, 8, then 2. Achha, look at here. Here after decimal how many digits? Now 1 digit, that means you have to put here. So that is how much? Rupees 284. That is the cost. Okay. So first exercise is over. For your homework is, listen very carefully. There are examples given in your textbook. Example 1, example 2, example 3, example 4, example 5. So your today's homework, example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Solve this and submit to Devendra sir. Okay.